Presenting the 10 best gifts for mom in 2021 at number 10. Heim Vision Sunrise Alarm Clock. Heim Vision Sunrise Alarm Clock is really great because of its two key features: 20 volume levels and colored sunrise simulation. Plus, also it can be used as bedside lamp, making it one of our top recommendations. Coming in at number 9. Super Collagen. Super Collagen is really great because of two key features: gluten-free and promotes healthy hair. And it also has paleo-friendly, making it one of our top recommendations. At number 8. Casper Sleep Pillow for Sleeping. Casper Sleep Pillow for Sleeping is really great because of two key features: resistant to clumping and 100% cotton cover. Plus, also has support and comfort, making it one of our top recommendations. Coming in at number 7. Polaroid Snap Instant Digital Camera. Polaroid Snap Instant Digital Camera is really great because of two key features: can print without computer and built-in selfie mirror. Plus, also has easy to print, making it one of our top recommendations. At number 6. Apple iPad Air. Apple iPad Air is really great because of two key features: Touch ID fingerprint sensor and 10 hours of battery life. It one of our top recommendations. Coming in at number 5. Tree of Life Pendant. Tree of Life Pendant is really great because of two key features: unique design and made from natural semi-precious stones. Plus, also has promotes beauty, health, good luck, and healing, making it one of our top recommendations. At number 4. Organic and Natural Bath Bombs. Organic and Natural Bath Bombs is really great because of two key features: all ingredients naturally organic and the perfect gift for anyone. Plus, also has ingredient ratio ensures good bubbling and floating effect, making it one of our top recommendations. Coming in at number 3. Sleep and Wake Up Light with Relax Breath. Looking for a gift for mom with helps you relax to sleep and improves general well-being? Then you need Sleep and Wake Up Light with Relax Breath. One of the best in its category, this comes highly recommended. At number 2. Fossil Q Smartwatch. Fossil Q Smartwatch is really great because of two key features: smart and lightweight and stainless steel. Plus, also has a smartwatch, making it one of our top recommendations. Coming in at number 1. Handmade Wooden Jewelry Box Case. Handmade Wooden Jewelry Box Case is really great because of two key features: beautifully handmade and ideal to store your jewelry. Plus, also has with a velvet inner lining and a brass latch to keep the contents scratches free and secure, making it one of our top recommendations.